Hello students. In previous video we have started unit 9, that is fractions, and we have also revised what we have learned in previous classes in our previous video. Now today we will learn something more about the fractions. So today our topic is equivalent fractions. So what are equivalent fractions? Let us try to understand. I have three chocolate bars. This boy has 3 chocolate bars. I cut them in 3 different ways. So जो 3 chocolate bars थी उसको 3 different ways में cut किया and shared with my 3 friends. So you can see here 3 friends of this boy, and he shared the chocolate with 3 friends. But he cut the 3 chocolates in 3 different ways. So let us see how he cut the chocolate. So you can see here these are 3 chocolates and these all are equal. You can see इनमें जो pieces हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. In this also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So all the chocolates are equal. But the only thing is that these chocolates are cut in 3 different ways. Now let us see how much these 3 friends get. So in this chocolate, how many pieces are there? 1 and 2. So जो ये box के अंदर है इसको हमने देखना है कितना pieces. So how can we write this in fraction? This one, total number of pieces are 2, and out of these 2, 1 piece this friend Monu gets. This is Monu. So how can we write this in fraction? 1 upon 2, that is half. Now Sonu gets. Sonu को कितना मिले? How many total pieces are there? 1 2 3 4. इसको 4 pieces में break किया, and out of these यहाँ पर कितने pieces मिले सोनू को? 1 2 pieces. So how can we write this as fraction? 1 piece को हम कैसे लिखेंगे fraction में? This is total number of pieces are 4, and this is 1 upon 4, and this is also 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. So add them. तो ये total आ जाएगा इतना piece. So that is, you know how to add the like fractions. That means whose denominators are equal. So we have to add the numerators only. 1 plus 1 is 2, right? Now in third case, Renu gets. Now here again, he has cut in different pieces. How many pieces are there? 8 pieces. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. और जो 1 piece है उसको fraction कितना है? 1 upon 8, because total number of pieces are 8. So 1 upon 8. This is also 1 upon 8, 1 upon 8, 1 upon 8. तो इन सारे 1 upon 8 को हम add करेंगे. 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 add करेंगे. So how can we add? You know, हमें numerators को add करना है. 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. 4 upon 8, right? Now what do you observe here? क्या सबको equal share मिला है या अलग अलग मिला है? All these 3 friends get equal share. You can see here, इसको भी 4 pieces मिले, इसको भी 4 pieces मिले, इसको भी 4 pieces मिले, right? 4 pieces in the sense 4 parts. जो ये 4 है, 4. So but we have written these equal shares in different ways. You can see here, ये इसको कितना मिला? 1 upon 2, इसको 2 upon 4, 4 upon 8. But their values are same. Although we have written these in different ways, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 4 upon 8, but still their values are same. क्योंकि ये तो same ही है, chocolates तो same ही है, equal share मिला सबको. तो जो ऐसे equal values वाले fractions होते हैं, ऐसे fractions जिनकी values same होती है, ऐसे fractions को हम equivalent fractions बोलते हैं. That means जिनकी value इक्वल हो, इक्वल और सेम. सो इक्विवेलेंट वर्ड बना है हमारा इक्वल से. सो इक्वल वैल्यूज होंगी जिन फ्रैक्शंस की, उन्हें हम बोलते हैं इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस. एज यू हैव सीन इन द एग्जाम्पल कि इन 3 फ्रेंड्स को इक्वल शेयर मिला है, बट जो इक्वल शेयर है इसको हमने डिफरेंट वेज में लिखा है. 1/2, दिस इज ऑल्सो 1/2, बट वी हैव रिटर्न इट एज 2/4. दिस इज ऑल्सो हाफ, बट वी हैव रिटर्न इट एज 4/8. सबको हाफ मिला है, हाफ, ये भी हाफ है, ये भी हाफ है, बट हमने अलग अलग वेज से लिखा है. राइट? सो हाउ मच ऑफ ईच चॉकलेट बार डज ईच वन गेट? सबको कितना मिला है? हाफ मिला है. ईच वन गेट्स हाफ ऑफ द चॉकलेट बार. एज वी हैव सीन, सबको कितना मिला है? हाफ मिला है. सो वी हैव ओनली गिवन डिफरेंट नेम्स. सो हमने डिफरेंट नेम्स दिया. फर्स्ट को मिला था 1/2, सेकंड को 2/4, 4/8. फॉर द इक्वल पार्ट्स ईच गेट्स. सबको इक्वल मिला है, बट सिर्फ हमने उनको डिफरेंट नेम्स दिए. So all these 3 fractions are equal. You can see here 1/2 is equal to 2/4 is equal to 4/8. So all these fractions are equal. So the fraction which have the same value, are called equivalent fractions. Fractions के name जो है different names हैं, but their values, जो उनकी values है वो same होगी. Such type of fractions are called equivalent fractions. Or you can say fractions which express the same part. Fractions जो same part को express कर रहे हैं of a whole के same part को. We will discuss some more examples. Whole but have different names are called equivalent fractions. Name तो different होंगे, but वो जो values होगी उनकी वो same होगी. Let us see this one. This is 1/3. So we have shaded one portion out of 3. Circle is same. You can see here. Only the fractions we have shaded are different. 1/3. Here 2/6. 6 में से 2 shade किया. And यहाँ पर 3/9, out of 9 we have shaded 3 parts. But if you observe it carefully, you will see that we have shaded the equal portion in all 3 circles. आप देखेंगे जितना पार्ट हमने इधर शेड किया है उतना ही इधर किया है, उतना ही इधर किया है. All the values of this shaded part are same. Only the नेम्स आर डिफरेंट. अगर मैं इसमें से लाइंस को रब कर दूं, जो ये शेडेड पोर्शन की लाइंस है, देन यू विल सी दैट इतना ही पोर्शन हमने ऑल द 3 जो फिगर्स हैं इनमें सेम पोर्शन जो है वो शेड किया है. सो 1/3, 2/6, 3/9 आर इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस बिकॉज दे रिप्रेजेंट द सेम पार्ट ऑफ द होल. पूरे का इन्होंने सेम पार्ट रिप्रेजेंट किया है. So I hope equivalent fractions are clear. The fractions which have same values, जिनकी values same है, जो express same part को कर रहा है whole के same part को express करेगा, that are called equivalent fractions. Now based on it we have worksheet number 1. Represent the equivalent fraction. These are equivalent fraction 1/2, 2/4, 4/8. It is already given that these are equivalent fractions. ये equivalent fractions हैं. The only thing we have to represent them, these fractions, in given figures. So first of all 1/2. Let us shade 1/2. So for that, how many total parts are there? 2. So 1/2 में total parts कितने हैं? 2 है. So we have to make 2 parts, 2 equal parts. So we can draw a line from the center. So this is all these both of these parts are 1/2, and we have to shade one part, 1/2 part. So this is 1/2, right? This is 1/2. Now in this figure we have to shade 2/4. That means total number of parts are 4. So again we will draw a line from here. This is 2 parts. हमें कितने बनाने हैं? 4 parts. Now we will draw one more line like this. So 4 equal parts are there. Out of these we have to shade 2 parts. So we will shade 1 part and 2 part. 2 parts we have shaded. Now in third case we have to shade 4 upon 8. So to how many total number of parts are 8. जो हमारा डिनोमिनेटर में होते हैं वो टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स होते हैं 8 पार्ट्स में. So in the same way we will make 8 equal parts. First line we will draw from the center and the other like this. These are 4 parts. अब हमें 8 parts बनाने हैं. How can we make? अब यहाँ से भी हम एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. Now and one from here. Now we have to draw 4 upon 8. So how can we draw? So how can we draw 4 upon 8? This is 4 upon 8 part. Right? Now observe them carefully. Are these fractions are equivalent? Yes. ये देखिए, you can see here. ये भी हमने अगर आप ध्यान से देखेंगे तो this is half. This is also half of the whole circle. And this is also the half of whole circle. सारे ये half represent कर रहे हैं circle का. Although their names are different, but they are representing the half of the circle. So that's why these are equivalent fractions. So we have just discussed that fractions which express the same part of whole का same part represent कर रहे हैं ये half half half. So these are equivalent fractions. So and it is also already given that these are equivalent fractions. So represent the equivalent fractions. Again these are equivalent fractions and we have to show in the given figure. So let us do this question also. 3 parts we have to make. Total 3 parts. So 1 and be careful that all the parts should be equal. जो हमारे पार्ट्स हैं वो कैसे होने चाहिए? इक्वल. जब हम फ्रैक्शंस बनाते हैं तो हमारे जो सारे पार्ट्स होते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं? इक्वल होते हैं, राइट? सो दीज आर 3 पार्ट्स एंड we have to shade one out of this. So we will shade this one. So 1 part. So this is 1 upon 3. Now here we have to make how many equal parts? 6 equal parts. So again we'll draw 1 and 2. So these are 3 parts and 6 parts बनाने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? बीच में से एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं like this. So this becomes how many total parts are there? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. And how many parts we have to shade? 2 parts. So shade them. We have shaded 2 parts, right? And now we have to make how many parts? 12 parts. So how can we make? So पहले हम 6 बना लेते हैं, फिर 12 बना लेंगे. So this is 1 line. This is second line. And ये हो गए हमारे 6 parts, right? अब हमें 12 बनाने हैं. How can we make? We will draw one more line between these lines. So this one, this one, this. Let us count the total number of parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, right? Total parts कितने हो गए? 12. And out of these 12 how many parts we have to shade? 4 parts. 1 2 3 4. So let us shade these 4 parts. So you can again observe these shaded parts, these all are equal. You can see here, observe it carefully. These all are equal. So these are equivalent fractions. So now I hope that equivalent fractions are clear to you. In next video we will discuss about equivalent fractions from the how can we make equivalent fractions from a given fraction. Thank you.